Agafria High School District at 95 square miles has been doing a tremendous job for growth and building great high schools and producing great leaders in our community.
One of the big takeaways that I have is that they are very organized in the idea of community and student achievement, and they are working towards that through multiple facets, new facilities, goals, academics, academies, all of those things to better student outcomes and better the community at large.
I've been learning so much more than what I anticipated. This is a great strategic planning event where teachers are friendly, superintendents are telling us about what's expected, they're asking our input, and this is just an amazing way for us to help our children be as successful as they possibly can be.
Wonderful brainstorming and action plans, and we're just excited for our students to be able to have more insight as to what they're going to do when they grow up.